Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what to ask before you even touch the computer. This is one of the easiest ways to make better decisions and ultimately come up with the best, most efficient repair. A lot of beginners want to jump straight to the device. They want to open it, click settings, run tools, start fixing, right? But again, good troubleshooting often starts before any of that. It starts with better questions. Questions like, what exactly is the device doing or not doing? When did the problem start? Did anything change before it started? Is the issue constant or random? Has anything already been tried? Those questions matter because they give you context, and context changes how you think about the problem. For example, if a startup issue began right after a forced shutdown, that points you in a different direction than a startup issue that developed slowly over several months. If a charging problem only happens when the cord is moved, that matters. If a browser got weird right after downloading a free tool, that matters. And if a laptop was dropped, it's overheating or exposed to liquid before the problem starts, that definitely matters. So one of the biggest upgrades you can make is learning not to touch the machine too fast without asking these questions. Instead, pause and gather the story first. That doesn't mean turning every small issue into an interrogation. It just means getting enough information so that you don't troubleshoot blind. Because when you start blind, you often waste time checking the wrong things first. And when you ask better questions, the problem often starts narrowing itself immediately. That's why intake style thinking matters, even if you're just helping a friend or working on your own machine. And I'll say this again, good troubleshooting begins with clear information.